is no light, so everyone,
No lights anywhere.
yes, everyone have to
Stop.
for that turn.
Then it goes around one time,
Yes. There's a 4 to 5 million house living without electric in the cold day, very cold day. We are at the store to buy the food and look at the line. People try to get the food for the days that we don't have that electricity in the house, right, Art?
Yes.
So it's a long
Everybody's out
line.
of food because they can't cook. They
Yeah,
have to
we
get
can't
something to
cook.
eat.
Look how long of the line to the store. And we have to stand in the cold weather right now. You know. So we wait for the line to go in the store to buy the food. It's 27 degrees, right?
Yeah. Or 2
About-
degrees Celsius.
Go. Or 2 degrees Celsius right now. Okay, and we have to stand outside waiting for the line to go in line in the store. It's very cold right now.
Two per household, okay? On both of those.
Have Japanese food? Yes, a little bit. So we got. He put the box here. This is the bread. All the bread gone. Out of bread. Look, the long shelf of food gone. It's also no milk. Soy milk, silk. Oh, look. So we got a Japanese food at the shelf
Yeah.
to eat for lunch. You know, we're gonna feed the dog. They are hungry. รอเดี๋ยวลูกพี่ฝนทำข้าวให้นะ ไม่มีไฟนะลูกไฟมันดับรอแป๊บนึงก็ไม่มีไฟก็ใช้เทียนไปก่อน เดี๋ยวกำลังทำ generator นะคะ we waiting for the gas and when Mr. Art come back home then we can get the extension cord. Okay, it's too dark over there. Let me shine the light for you guys. Everyone waiting for the food. Yes, we're going to eat. Okay. Where's cupcake? Okay, กินข้าว Cupcake eating. Yes, you have your dinner. Dinner in the dark. Inside here with the candle. You guys okay? You guys okay? Okay. So romantic. My aunts live in another part of town that did not lose the power. We took a chance to drive there on the icy road to get a generator and pick up the food that she prepared for us. She gave me some sausage and fried eggs and stir-fried vegetable, and it's enough for 2 days. And 1 pot of rice. And we got a little heater. Maybe it's enough to warm in our bedroom with 4 dogs for tonight. And tonight we got a generator that run outside. We try to hook it, connect to the refrigerator that needs the electric. This one inside and outside in the garage. So right now the stuff in there kind of melting in the freezer now for 2 days. So that's very kind of Art's friend, Mr. Art's friend, that have the generator to provide us for the electric from now on until we will get the light, we will get the power back to our house. Okay, Cupcake, say hi. So we try to get the extension cord to connect to the power outside, the generator. By by under the window. We will have a little air come in. No? Mr. Art tried to figure out why the light didn't come on. Finally, we got the light bulb working. Yeah! We got it! Yeah! We got it! We got it! We got it! We have light! We have light! But we still love the candlelight. The little candle
is going down. So now then we're going to use the electric light powered by the generator.
Thank you, the candle, for 2 nights. And thank you for my auntie.
Yeah.
My sweet auntie. She gave me the food. Today, rain. The snow is melting. But rain instead of that make the weather. But we got generator, but it doesn't help us about the warm weather, warm inside, because we don't have the heater. We have just small heater from the neighbor lend us the small heater, and it doesn't work in the big area like a big room. So we just give to the dogs, our dogs. Last night the electric turned on for a while. I don't know how long, maybe 10 minutes, 15 minutes when I woke up again, and it's gone. That's my kumquat over there. I think it will say goodbye to me. We have the light come. I don't know how long, so we hurry to cook the tea in the fish from 2 days ago, and this is burnt egg, and the eggs from my aunt just warmed it. Boil the water for my face. I clean my face, so I don't need to clean a cold water on my face. And we try to defrost the fish from the freezer so we can grill it, for the next meal. Okay, get the. So now it seems to be longer for the power, right?
Yeah.
For the power on. I got the hot water to drink, warm water to drink. This is the first cup in 2 days, right, that I have. I don't need to drink the cold water. So Mr. Art tried to defrost the chicken, for the dog. I don't know we have more time or not.
Okay.
So we hurry. I wash the dish with the warm water. So we haven't washed for 2 days, right? Cannot wash because it's very cold water. So this is nice and warm. Hurry. So now I try to cook something real fast. The egg and like a fried rice with egg. So we buy like a bell pepper, like a cucumber, something fresh that we don't need to cook to eat like a vegetable. Okay, done. So I'm glad the power still stay on. Now I can wash my face in the warm water. That electricity come on this morning. I don't know how long, but we hope it will stay like 1 hour, so we can heat it up in the house, warm the house up. I have a shower, nice and warm, kind of hurry, making time, making a real short time to have the shower. So it's like a heaven, you know. The power went off again, and the big snowstorm will come back tomorrow, as the weatherman said. So we're glad that I had a shower, you know, nice and warm shower this morning, and we cooked, you know, we cook for dinner, and then the dog got the chicken, and I had a hot chicken soup, like chicken broth, you know, eat with rice. So I was so happy that we got the electric back, but now then we took a nap, then we woke up, and then again, right?
No electric.
No electric again.
This morning I went out and got a bigger gas can and went and found some gas. So, but I don't think that we will leave it on all night because we don't know about the exhaust fumes coming in the house.
Fried rice, no outage, right, Art?
Yeah.
So we make this morning when we have the power on for 2 hours today. Today is the 3rd day, right? So we warm the fried rice to eat for dinner. So this is our dinner, and we will have a cold night, one more night.
Hopefully we can keep getting gas. Gas is getting very short and hard to find also.
Yeah, hard to find the gas right now too. ไม่มีแก๊สขายนะคะ แก๊สหายากมากคือน้ำมันนะคะ น้ำมันที่จะเอามาเติมในเครื่องปั่นไฟนะคะ เครื่องปั่นไฟเราก็ไม่ได้ทำความอุ่น เพราะว่ามันไม่มีเครื่องทำความอุ่น เราไม่ได้ซื้อมานะคะ แล้วตอนนี้เขาก็ขายหมดแล้วด้วย ไม่งั้นก็จะมีแบบเหมือนพัดลมนะคะ แต่เป็นเครื่องทำความอุ่น เราก็ต้องอยู่อย่างหนาวๆนะคะ ในบ้านตอนนี้ก็ประมาณhow cold it is right now?
About 28.
28 Fahrenheit นะคะ ก็ประมาณเท่าไหร่เซลเซียส is about
-3, -4.
ลบ3 องศานะคะเซลเซียส เมืองไทยนะคะ It's nice and warm. This is our first dinner with the lights on. Yeah, we have light tonight again. After we have 2 hours power on today during the day, and it went off for about 4 hours and come back again, and I don't know how long will stay with us. So we glad that we can have our dinner with the lights on, with the warm weather in the house, even though they shut off again tonight, but it will stay warm, maybe half a night for us to sleep well.
เช้านี้ตื่นมาก็มีหิมะตกอีกนะคะ ตอนแรกนึกว่าจะไม่มีหมดแล้วนะคะ